So today we're doing another mukbang. I just finished cooking. I don't know if you can tell I'm wearing an apron, but here's today's meal. I don't know if that'll focus. But I made some fried rice. And for the fats I used bacon. And then for the protein for today was bacon, Chinese sausage, and my version of sesame chicken. But yeah. Oh. Today's fried rice is mainly just a lot of leftovers. I had a chicken breast left. And like 2 bacon strips that I haven't really decided to use yet, so I just decided to kill that. I had 1 egg left. So today's just everything's just leftovers. I'm always so like surprised when people don't know how to make fried rice, because like there's no right way to make fried rice. There's no right way to make fried rice. Every single time I make it is different. There's like definitely different things I keep consistent, things I change. But fried rice is like a good meal to make if you're getting rid of leftovers, if you want something extra. For example, this one plate, I made 4 cups of rice. Once you add everything in, that's good enough for like 4 to 5 meals. I eat a little big portion, so that'll give me like another 2 meals. I don't know if I'll necessarily finish this, but like I'm hungry, but since we're hitting the time when I'm not really making any money, I don't want to be using more resources than I need to be. So I just need to be smart about portioning things out. Generally, to make fried rice, you just need rice, some vegetables, a protein, and I use light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, sesame seeds, and homemade teriyaki sauce to season my rice. Or sesame oil, not sesame seeds. I think like the sesame oil gives like that peanut or like this nice aroma. The light soy sauce is there for like a little healthier version. But basically the light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, and teriyaki sauce is there just to give the color to the rice. The dark soy sauce gives it a little sweetness. The light soy sauce obviously normal soy sauce, just less sodium, less salt. And then I like using the teriyaki sauce to give it like that molasses kind of taste, where it's like a little thicker. Dark soy sauce uses the same thing, but I don't like using a lot of it. Even though using teriyaki sauce basically contradicts that statement. But honestly, this will probably be like the last meal I'll cook in a while until I start working again. Like I can make spaghetti for like, I have one more can of like tomato sauce. I have some ground beef. But basically after that, I have just rice, pasta, nothing to eat it with. I've cut noodles. Honestly, I'm not like necessarily worried. It's just like for another like 2 weeks. But overall, this is pretty good for basically being 2 months stuck in my house, going to the grocery store like maybe once since this quarantine. And like I've lasted pretty long. I haven't had to like use like a lot of canned foods, which I still have, so I'm good for that. I haven't really ate any cup noodles. So yeah, overall, I'll be solid. Like now we're hitting the reserved or preservative foods, you know? Before we were just eating all the fresh foods. There's a piece of rice stuck. When I'm in my katsu, I don't remember if I had fried rice with it too. I think I did, and I feel like I just talked about the exact same thing I did last time. Yeah, normally I eat mainly just chicken or tofu. Tofu because you can buy like a block of tofu for like $1 or maybe $2, and that lasts 2-3 meals. Then chicken because it's a cleaner meat, cheaper. More versatile when you cook. Yeah. Honestly, I feel like overall I've been really productive during this quarantine. Or at least as productive as I can be. I've been cranking out videos for TikTok every single day and YouTube 3 times a week. I was exercising every single day, but definitely been slacking and need to get back on that. Done. I'm actually like surprised at how fast I ate that. I generally eat pretty fast in general, but when I make these videos I talk and all that stuff. But I like in this like limbo where I don't know what I should like, how I should be feeling, what I should be doing, how I'm thinking. Everything just seems like stagnant lately, especially like since I have like $0 in my bank account. I really am like thinking what's next, and hopefully like this job thing works out. Even though I've been like applying for a bunch of jobs, I've been waitlisted a lot just because, right, like now is a weird time for companies to be hiring. Right now it's just a weird time in general, right? There's no one knows how long this is gonna last. No one knows what's next, right? And some days I'm really motivated, some days I'm just trying to figure out my next move. Some days I don't want to do anything. Some days it's like a little mix of everything. I've been reading a lot more during this quarantine too, which is nice. Yeah. Sorry, but this was like a little depressing or pretty monotone. I just don't have like anything really to talk about right now, just because there's nothing interesting happening in life right now, you know? Like, that's one of the nice things why I like being out here, and I liked doing a bunch of different stuff, is because you come back with stories, right? When you go out and experience life, you have stories. When you're just at home sitting, chilling at a computer, all you have is the stories that you already have, or you're just reviewing a bunch of stuff, but there's nothing forcing you to grow, right? Or there's no experiences that changes you, or interactions that form new thoughts, ideas, and all that stuff. Just being at home, you're just at home. No challenges, no nothing, comfort. yeah. Like always, thanks for watching. You can like, comment, subscribe if you want. I'll probably come back with a more interesting, I feel like I'm not very energetic in general, but I'll come back with a little bit more energy. See you next time.